Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to channel Gadget Pro and welcome to our in-depth review of the Oura Ring 4, the latest innovation and wearable technology. In this video, we will dive into the features, design and performance of this smart ring, helping you decide if it's right for your health and wellness journey. So let's go. The Oura Ring 4 boasts a full titanium design, making it both durable and stylish. With 6 color options and expanded size range, you are sure find the perfect fit. The features is a sensor, which enhance both durability and wearability. At the heart of the Oura Ring 4 lines the revolutionary smart sensing technology. This breakthrough platform adapts to your fingers, deliver accurate continuous data day and night. With advanced green and infrared PPG sensors and a digital temperature sensor, you will gain a deeper understanding of your body's theorems and patterns. The Oura Ring 4 offers up to 8 days of battery life, depending on uses and settings. With advanced features like heart rate variability and respiration, rate and body temperature tracking, you will stay informed about your health wellness. Plus, with seamless connectivity via Bluetooth Low Energy, you can easily scan your body with the Oura app. In conclusion, Oura Ring 4 is a cutting-edge wearable device that offers unparalleled enhance into your health and wellness. With its silk design and advanced smart sensing technology and impressive performance, it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking to upgrade their self-care routine. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe for honest and informative videos.